This particular tutorial, we're going to look at something comparable to what we discussed earlier using a small function. Here, we're using the min function with index match. Here's the layout. We have the min function. This is standalone. Why? Here for an example. This shows the lowest cost. Why is that important? Well, because here's what we're looking for. Here's the min function built into the match. Previously, we had a small function built in with match. Well, here we're looking for min. The layout is exactly the same. Lookups are going to be the exact same, and the index is going to be the exact same. Here's the write-up. To find information about the lowest value in a list, you can use a formula based on the index match and min function. To determine the number of the company with the lowest cost, we use index match. Here's the equation. Here's the equation right here. The lowest cost in the list, here's our list that we're looking for, is located using the min function. The match function receives the results from min. So it's going to look for min and then it'll identify the row. Then index is going to find that row number with the lowest cost and produce Save Mart. You don't know who Save Mart it is. It's a West Coast retail store. Here's the min function. It's just the min of what? C5 to C10. And it shows C5, 4549. So internally, looking here, remove index and match and just go min. You know C5 to C10 is going to do what? It's going to produce 4549. Why is that important? Well, remember, match is looking up an array, is trying to find a lookup value, right? So we go in here internally and we go lookup value. Well, we know it's 4549. That's what min's going to produce. The lookup array, what's it looking for? It's looking C5 to C10. Hide this. We know we would be looking for 4549. You could, I think you can put equals 5449 inside here, inserting min, resolve that. C5 to C10, and then 0. What does 0 represent? Exact match. What does index do? Index is saying, well, what row number is it? And we know, just hitting F9, it's going to go row 6. Why? Because the min function says it's 4549. That's it. Pretty straightforward. This is a great introduction to index match. There's really nothing confusing or complicated here.